I love this event. It's just such a great opportunity to catch up with old friends.
You know, kindness is not like this fluffy concept for us. It informs everything we do.
What do we do for our workforce? How are we kind and how are we responsible? And how do we impact society?
Businesses have a responsibility to be a force for good as well as everything else they do.
What I value most about being part of the Alumni Network is definitely being able to still connect with the people that I worked with previously, hear about the experiences.
So being connected to the Global Alumni Network gives me access to former colleagues, lots of thought leadership.
It's the warmth, it's the fact that you're still a part of the family, it's the fact that you can meet here.
Just being able to connect and hear about the progress of Baringa, how Baringa has developed over the years. So I love that.